How to manage your snooze settings on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to manage your snooze settings on Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First then go to your Facebook. And here click on those three lines up there. And click on the setting icon beside the search icon. And now click on a new feed in preference. And click on the last option, which is snooze, to manage your snooze settings. And here restart or stop your snooze. And this is it. Because it's a new Facebook, I'm not find anything here, but in your Facebook you're gonna find. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.